Hello everyone, I am Vidhi Patel, lecturer in the Computer IT department at LJ Polytechnic. We will see correlated subqueries in this tutorial. In a SQL database query, a correlated subquery is a subquery that uses values from the outer query. Because the subquery may be evaluated once for each row processed by the outer query, it can be slow. A correlated subquery is one way of every row in a table and comparing values in each row against related data. Moreover, a correlated subquery is executed repeatedly once for each row evaluated by the outer query. It is used whenever a subquery must return a different result or a set of results for each candidate row considering by the main query. In the other words, you can use a correlated subquery to answer a multi-part question whose answer depends on the value in each row processed by the parent statement. Let's see the difference between nested subqueries and correlated subqueries. With a normal nested subquery, the inner select query runs first and executes once, returning value to be used by the main query. A correlated subquery executes once for each candidate row considering by the outer query. In the other words, the inner query is driven by the outer query. Let's see how correlated subqueries work by performing practical. Let's understand correlated subqueries. For that, let's create an account table using create command. Create table, then table name which is account, then column, account number, data type of that column is varchar2 and size is 3. After that, another column, balance, data type of that column is number, size is 9. Here you have to specify comma to separate every column with each other. Next column is bname and data type of bname is varchar2 and size is, let's suppose, 10. Now let's insert data into that account table using insert command. Insert into table name which is account over here, then values keyword, then here you have to specify column names to take dynamic value from the user. Enter account number A01, balance is 5000, branch name is Vidyanagar. Second record A02, balance is 6000 and branch name is Karamsad. Next record is A03, balance is 7000 and branch name is Anand. Next record A04, balance 8000, branch name Karamsad. And the last record A05, balance is 6000 and branch name is Vidyanagar. Now let's see table data using select command. Select star from table name which is account over here. Now I want to find out maximum balance for each branch. Suppose maximum balance of VN which is 6000, maximum balance of KSD which is 8000 and maximum balance for Anand is 7000. I want this output. For that, I have to refer account table twice. We can say that I am going to compare account table with itself. For comparison, there are two objects required. Here I have only one object which is account table. So for that I have to create an alias of account table. So in select query I can do the same thing. Let's see. Select, then list of columns separated by comma which I want to retrieve from this table, which is account number, then comma, balance, then comma, then branch name. From table name is account, and after that leave blank space and you can write another name of this account table. We can say it is a alias of that table. Here I have two objects, which is account table and alias of account table is ACC. Then where balance, then in operator, then subquery is select maximum balance from account table where bname equals to acc.bname. Here I get branch wise maximum balance. Here an account table is consulted twice in parent query, which is outer query displayed over here. Balance of each record is compared with some maximum balance returned by the subquery. And in subquery, maximum balance is found for each branch, to which record in parent query refers in both the cases. An account table is used. As the same table is referred twice in single SQL statement, it is necessary to distinguish columns of inner and outer queries. For this purpose, an alias of account, which is ACC, is created in the parent query with select statement. And to refer branch name of the parent query, a combination of table name and column name separated by dot, which is acc.bname, is used over here. You can try this by performing another queries. There are some important questions available for this tutorial. Let's see them one by one. First question is, what is correlated subquery? For the second question, you have to consider the table schema given here. Table product having columns product ID, product name, brand ID, category ID, model year and list price. The question is, find the products whose list price is equal to the highest list price of the products within the same category. You can write your answers into the comment section. We have seen correlated subqueries in this tutorial. In the correlated subquery, a subquery refers a column from a table in the parent query. If you have any doubt or query regarding this tutorial, then you can write it into the comment section. If you like the video, then press on the like button and share the video. If you want to watch another videos of this series, then link is available in the description box. Stay tuned with us for watching new videos of this series. Thank you for watching this video.